we use the local lakes. We go down to the beach, so we want to see our waterways in very good condition. The benefits of using Spikey is the fact that instead of the nitrogen going down there into the waterways and growing algae and feeding the fish, it's feeding my cows. If we're halving the nutrient loss from nitrogen from our farms, that has a significant impact on our waterways and the receiving waterways.
The loss of nitrogen is the biggest problem facing dairy farming in New Zealand and around the world. It is polarising society with climate activism on one side and the kickback to political moves to reduce greenhouse gas emissions on the other. The source of the loss of nitrogen from the farm system is the cow's urine patch. Urine is full of nitrogen, which makes the grass grow, but there is way too much for the grass. Some is lost to the environment as a highly potent greenhouse gas, nitrous oxide, and some is lost to our aquifers, lakes and rivers as nitrate. The problem is really serious. In New Zealand, 2,000 farms are at risk of financial ruin, and in Europe, with 40% of rivers exceeding safe limits, the problem is even bigger. But don't worry, Pastoral Robotics have a solution. A solution based on agronomy and engineering, the culmination of 7 years of research and development. Spikey is used after the cows leave the paddock. It detects the urine patches and treats them with NitroStop, which converts the nitrogen into more grass, leaving less to harm the environment. This is a real win-win, improving productivity with a payback of less than 12 months. If applied globally to half the world's dairy farms and 10% of beef farms, Pastoral Robotics' technology will reduce greenhouse gas emissions by twice New Zealand's total greenhouse gas emission. Pastoral Robotics is at an exciting stage. There are 1 billion cattle in the world, and we have created a new market niche to improve farm productivity and environmental outcomes. The timing is right to take Pastoral Robotics to the next level.